Alright, this is 241 Bay Boulevard, Unit 2. It's a laundry line that keeps backing up. This is as far as we can get with the camera. So I'm going to try to see if I can get some. I want to try to get a better picture of it, or see if I can get some water flow through here so we can see what the issue is. Yeah, we got some hard obstruction there at 12 feet. So let me try to work on getting a better picture. Alright, now we can see. So that's where it ties into the main. So it looks like there's just some cast iron debris in this line. So I'm going to work and see if I can't get it flushed out of there. I got most of it flushed out already. Let me work on it a little bit more. So that's the laundry line all the way to the main. So there was some debris in here, but I was able to get it out. A little cast iron 2-inch line. And I just dumped the washing machine to check the flow. It looks pretty good. So I don't see any issues with that laundry line all the way to the main. I'm going to conclude the video.